That was literally like comedically bad, bro. What? What was? I'm confused.
I don't drive anymore.
Yeah,
And the
literally
only
not even
time
a
I have
driver's
to
license.
back out is when I'm like in my garage. So I only, it's just like the same thing every time. It's actually really bad.
That was funny. I enjoyed that a lot. Wait.
Why is this song playing?
This is all I listened to today.
Which one is it?
It's the one up. It's A. Oh no, that's not midnight. Oh, it's B. Right. I feel like it has to be B. Maybe it is. I can't wait to have lychee beer and ashwagandha tea tonight.
So true.
Literally running
Oh,
back
I need to eat
Thursday
so
summer.
bad.
This is what you were wearing on the first day of summer.
No, it's not.
Oh, what were you wearing? Do you remember?
Dude, I don't know.
Wait, can you change it? I don't want to listen to shiny music.
Same.
I'm like actually mad this album came out during summer. I think it's negatively impacting my mental health.
I agree. Wait, so should I get concert tickets?
Yes! Wait, yes. Yes.
No one even, I don't know.
Just get 2 at least and then maybe get a
Yeah,
few
that's
more.
true.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Wait for the 20th.
Yeah.
Best day ever. Best day ever!
I don't know what to play.
Addison
Oh.
Rae. What?
I accidentally played this.
The worst one.
What?
I'm just kidding. This one's fine.
Japanese breakfast.
Why?
Why?
Oh.
She lucky is too sad.
Yeah, literally. I need something like. Oh my god.
Let's do my DJ.
Guess what's in 25 hours from now?
Adela.
Yes! I'm so excited.
Why is that?
Oh, is it because it's on a jam or something?
I guess. Bro, what the hell? I just want to eat.
Just shuffle like.
A little George Harrison.
Who the fuck is it?
Wait, no.
Play life of a line.
Ah. George Harrison is in Life of a Lion.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Best fuckless ever.
True. I'm so excited.
What did you get?
The rare steak pho.
Wow, so rare.
Bro, like, this is gonna save me. Let me try this.
Oh my god, get one. Oh, it's only $6. Okay, we're on a mission. We need to lock
I know
in.
exactly.
Me too. Literally. Oh yes! That was really loud. Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, wait, this is the one we got last time, right?
Yeah.
How much? It's just
10
six.
cases.
There's a mango.
Oh my god.
Sweet touch.
Best day ever. Best day ever. Best day ever.